Hi there. Welcome to Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service, your go-to IT guide for tech tips and tricks. Today we're talking about Nightlight in Windows 11, a simple feature that can reduce eye strain and help you sleep better after a long day on your computer. Stick around and I'll show you just how easy it is to enable this helpful tool. Nightlight adjusts your screen's colors to warmer tones, reducing blue light exposure. Studies have shown that limiting blue light in the evening can help make your screen more comfortable and improve sleep quality. It's perfect for working late, browsing, or even gaming. Let me guide you step by step through enabling Nightlight in Windows 11. You can start by opening the Start menu at the bottom of the screen. And then you're going to click on Settings, which is a gear icon. In the Settings window, click on System, and then go to Display. And we're going to go down here to Nightlight, and you can either toggle it on right here and do it manually, or we can adjust the settings to schedule Nightlight so it comes on automatically each night and add what times you want it to turn on and off. And that's it. Nightlight is now set up and easy and ready to help you work more comfortably. Thanks for tuning in to Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service. We hope this quick tip makes computer use easier on your eyes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips every week. Do you have any tech questions or tutorial suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next Wednesday. Stay tech savvy, everyone.